The life-changing power of daily squats. What if I told you that dropping into a daily squat routine could transform more than just your lower body? Think core strength, better posture, boosted confidence, and even mental clearness. Yes, a simple squat holds that much power. I used to think squats were just about building leg muscles until I started doing them daily. Within weeks, I noticed my back pain disappearing. I was standing taller and even my energy levels shot up. Squats became more than an exercise. They became a way to change my body and mind. In this video, I'll demonstrate how incorporating squats into your daily routine can elevate not only your legs, but also your overall physique. Squats are some of the best compound exercises available. They boost your athletic performance and can enhance your everyday physical activities. Beyond just developing your leg muscles, they offer a variety of additional benefits. Can doing squats each day truly change your entire body? How about core strength? Are they effective for that as well? Keep watching until the end, and I'll share some useful methods to modify your squats. First one is well-defined strong butt. The gluteus maximus is one of the primary muscles engaged when you are performing a squat. This exercise not only strengthens you, but also tones the muscles, and like anything else, the more often you practice squats, the more noticeable your results will be. One important tip I suggest you is to focus on contracting your glutes as you come up from a squat, which helps improve glute activation. That being said, be careful not to thrust your pelvis ahead or overextend your hips at the elevation of the movement, as these actions can compromise your form. When performed correctly, squats should help shape, firm, and elevate your butt, giving you that wanted energetic appearance. Besides the standard squat, other variations that are amazing for activating and developing your glutes include goblet squats, overhead squats, jump squats, and sumo squats, to name a few. The deeper you squat, the more you activate your glutes. A strong, more carved butt is often a clear sign that someone has been actively doing a lot of squats. Secondly, we have super strength squats. One notable benefit of performing super strength squats is their position as the ultimate exercise. Movements that mimic squatting, such as transitioning you from a seated position to standing and back, contribute to improved strength. The more frequently you practice these movements, the more your body will adjust, making them easier over time. Squats improve your force production and power output, which can greatly boost athletic performance. Additionally, they create a solid foundation in you for everyday tasks. There are multiple squat variations to research, including back squats, front squats, and squat pushers. You can also include kettlebells with exercises like goblet squats, front rack squats, or overhead squats. Essentially, regular squatting can lead to marked strength gains, and they are also useful for fortifying bones and joints. Third benefit we have is the chance of less injury. Did you know that many injuries during physical workouts are often due to weaknesses and variations in your body? Both trainers and physical therapists frequently use squats to evaluate a person's joint flexibility and the health of their hips, knees, and ankles. Above just a measuring tool, squats can boost the muscles around these joints, helping to manage them and decrease the risk of injury. Stronger hips can help control the collapsing of feet, ankles, and knees. Moreover, squats improve flexibility and mobility, which can help avoid injuries that appear from tight or weak muscles. Additionally, including regular squats in your routine improves balance, which is crucial for minimizing the possibility of falls and related injuries. So, make sure to include squats in your workout from now on. Next, the benefit we have is stronger core. When referring to the torso, it encompasses more than just the abs. It includes the abdominals, obliques, and lower and mid-back muscles. These muscles are crucial for stabilizing your spine and are vital for movements such as bending in various directions. Squats effectively activate your core muscles, particularly the erector spinae, which support the spine. This leads to a stronger core, improved stability, and a reduced risk of injury. In fact, squats might be more beneficial for your core strength than planks, making them an essential part of your fitness routine. To maximize the benefits during squats, it's important to engage the core by inhaling while lowering your body and exhaling as you rise. Furthermore, it contains body priming. Additionally, squats serve as a body primer for enhancing our lower body strength, balance, and mobility, all critical for athletic performance. They are a multi-joint exercise that increases our body temperature, activates key muscles, boosts blood circulation, and improves motor patterns for better exercise form. Incorporating other squat variations, especially back squats using a barbell behind the neck, effectively targets your multiple muscle groups and strengthens those needed for explosive movement, such as jumping and running. There is another benefit of stronger bones. Regular strength training is key for increasing your lean muscle mass and supporting bone health. The femur, the body's largest bone, supports the glute muscles. Engaging in daily strength exercises like squats helps muscles adapt to your body weight resistance, leading to muscle growth. The same concept applies to bones. Exposure to resistance training promotes greater flexibility and can improve our bone density. A 2017 study indicated that adolescents participating in weight training are less likely to develop age-related bone disorders, such as osteoporosis. Likewise, performing squats and other weight-bearing exercises throughout adulthood is beneficial in maintaining bone mass and providing healthy bones and joints. Additionally, daily squats can help in weight loss by helping to burn marked calories. Number 7 is greater calorie burn. If you're aiming to shed some weight, including squats into your routine can be quite effective. Squats are an energy-consuming leg exercise, targeting your legs, which are the largest muscle group in your body. This combination of movement not only works your legs, but also engages other muscle groups, leading to greater calorie expenditure. Additionally, building muscle through regular squats can improve your resting calorie burn. While strength training naturally burns fewer calories than aerobic practices, you can boost calorie burn during strength workouts by pairing squats with other combination exercises like lunges, deadlifts, rows, and pull-ups for optimal results. Remember, exercises like squats are just one part of gaining fitness goals. A healthy body begins with adopting a healthy lifestyle. It's essential to modify your daily habits first to create a foundation for further progress. Number 8 is better posture. Good posture plays a vital role in how you hold your body, whether in motion or at rest. Many often overlook the importance of their spine until they encounter back or neck pain. Maintaining good posture reflects your healthy musculoskeletal system and can alleviate back pain while enhancing breathing and digestion. Performing squats with proper form can significantly improve posture, benefiting your back, shoulders, and core muscles, which contribute to better body alignment. Front squats in particular are effective for posture improvement since they reduce strain on the lumbar region and knee joints, allowing you for a comfortable range of motion. Although squats can be challenging, their benefits for posture are beyond doubt, and they have personally improved my posture. I'd love to know which benefits of daily squatting you find most impressive. Next point is to improve balance, flexibility, and mobility. To perform effective squats, a degree of flexibility is necessary. Squatting can improve your flexibility. Beginners may find it difficult to squat as deeply as others, but as you practice and lower your squat depth, your mobility and flexibility will improve. Mobility combines strength and flexibility, helping deeper squats. Furthermore, squats stimulate balance because they engage multiple muscle groups, which helps develop coordination and strength. Strengthening your core muscles, crucial for stabilizing your spine, is another benefit. Improved flexibility and mobility are crucial for maintaining balance, and functioning squats regularly provides a complete leg workout. So, if you're desiring for exceptional legs, squats are an excellent choice. Let's talk about killer legs. When you perform correctly, squats maximize leg activation, working your hamstrings, glutes, and quadriceps. Here are some key information for proper squatting. 1. Keep your feet either forward or slightly turned outward. 2. Provide your knees to stay behind your toes and avoid letting them turn inward. 3. Maintain proper upper body posture with shoulders relaxed, chest open, and spine neutral. Now that you're familiar with squatting, here are some changes to add variety to your routine. 1. Limit your range of motion by not lowering as far, which is ideal for individuals with tight lower backs, hamstrings, or knee injuries. Focus on pushing your weight through your heels, removing tension, and gaining balance to improve your depth over time. 2. Beat up the weights, for instance. Use dumbbells, a barbell, or a kettlebell. 3. Change the position of the weights with front squats, back squats, or zerker squats. 4. Include additional movements, like rotating backward lunges from a squat, calf raise, or lateral sea-dog curtsy lunges. 5. Slow down the tempo, highlighting the downward movement by staying at the bottom before pushing back up. In conclusion, daily squats can especially benefit your body as highlighted throughout. However, to fully activate your body's potential, it's crucial to also focus on your lifestyle. Be sure to check out the next video to discover habits that contribute to a healthy, lean, and attractive physique.